All right, today let's implement the concept of filter because filter lets us zoom in on specific slices of data. So first things first, we'll be ingesting our files, source files. Let's browse from my local computer. So let's browse all these three files, customers, dates and sales. Today we'll be performing join operation and the filter clause. I'll upload this. So first we are ingesting as a file now, and as a second step now, we need to ingest as a table. So I'll just load all the CSV files one by one as tables, and then we'll be proceeding out with the filter data hands-on. All right, our first table got ingested. I'll just now ingest the dates table. Please make sure whenever we ingest, by default everything is in lowercase, the table name. So we got to form the query accordingly. So second table also got ingested. Last table, sales table. Let's click on load. So let's wait for a while. We are almost done. All right, all three tables got ingested. I'll switch to SQL Analytics endpoint. Now we'll be firing our query. So let's open the query SQL query tab. Now let's say I want to filter by region, showing only Mumbai transactions. Let's run this to check. And please note, to filter we are using the where clause. So you might be familiar, if you're familiar with SQL, the where clause, right? Now, if you look, the region is Mumbai. So that's what we have filtered. So sales by the region, we can now see only Mumbai transactions, how much the sales. Now, let's say I want to filter by month, only for January sales. I'll open a new tab and I'll paste my query. And please note, this time the month we have mentioned explicitly as January. So it will show up the sales in January month. And we have used where clause after joining with customers and date tables, right? So that's what it goes. So filtering, if you look, is essential for targeted insights. It helps us answer precise business questions. So that's what it goes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in our next lecture.